Massey was a lot
Oh
of.
yeah.
You know, everybody thinks
Yeah.
America is John Deere, but they had Massey Ferguson as well, and
The Bergen with the first tractor going.
yeah, and the
They
John.
did it- They did it back in 20.
That's right.
They used to call it the Grey Yard.
Didn't they used to make them up in Northern Ireland as well?
Yeah, they did, yeah.
Yeah. Well, with a name like Ferguson, he would be Irish, wouldn't he? Yeah. Now the John Deere has come in for a lot of
Yeah, well,
problems,
they come
economic.
in the earlier times,
Yeah.
or later times. Yeah.
Later, but they've a lot of bad press at the moment because they're closing and making farmers not be able to repair their own machines.
Oh, right, yeah.
And you know, there's a huge cost and time if you have to bring it back to a factory or
Yeah.
an agent.
Yeah.
Doesn't it look well? There's a lovely soft warmth here on the hill, and then you look at all these beautiful sheep, and
That's all the timber got out
Coxlane.
more I have cut up.
Right, you did well.
Yeah.
That'll keep you a winter or two, won't it? Yeah. The ma will be over if she sees that. Oh, was he back?
Yeah.
That's great. That's great.
We only went on there. We could do a go.
Oh, that's even better.
He had a job there. He had to go.
So he came over for the holiday,
Yeah.
and he's a working visitor,
Yeah.
not like me. I'm a talking visitor. Yeah, yeah. Oh, I know the whole lot of you, Peter. You're not afraid of the work at all. Yeah. I think I'm the oddball. What? Well, we all work in our way. That's what I say.
Yeah, that's right.
You know, it's. Yeah, I still get up early in the mornings. You have to put through the day. Oh, look. Oh, here's the sheeps as well, the lambs. They're running away. Now that yes, these are out in the field, so they have, they're more independent.